This video is sponsored by Shopee Indonesia and Shopee Hobbies. Hello, welcome everyone, this is Awan Plamo. Today, I'm gonna build Mega Man Zero from Eastern model. Inside the box, we will get holographic card, manual book, runners, action base, more runners, extra hands, a set of effects, LED kit, water decal for eyes, and a set of sticker. This is actually pretty similar build to Copy X, so I will not waste my time to read through all the pages. When I'm cutting off all these parts, I'm pretty sure between Zero and Copy X uses the exact parts, like 80% are just the same. I've never mentioned that actually Zero came out first, then Copy X, and you will find some of Zero parts are included in Copy X as a junk. And that's pretty awkward, since you will get two similar parts and I rather have more extra packs from Eastern model. I'm using sanding paper from Hobby Mio with the sanding stick made from carbon. It feels really good in hand when you use it. The sticks are really solid and you feel so secure to make a reckless rub on the kit. But at the same time, it has a good flexibility, so I believe it's a good investment for tools you want to have. The snap kit is just the same, but the major difference is on the head, the helmet, and the arm. You will get 7 optional hands, and that's quite a lot, one with Z-type mark on inner palm. I want to warn you that this Zero model really have a lot sharp edges at some parts. Literally sharp, and it could hurt your finger accidentally when you're not paying attention. One big downside that keeps bugging me till the end is the cheek part are easily to fall apart, like very easy. Now, I want to prepare this kit to get a bath by disassemble some parts, but I guess this time I don't need to make it become small parts. Instead, this will get separated as big major body parts. When the dust and oil are gone from the parts, it's time to primering with Surfacer. I'm using Mr. Surfacer 1200 and I have used this since the beginning of spraying on any kit. I love the balance of the Surfacer's type. It's smooth, but it still has texture on it. Now all the parts has been colored, and once again I am really like genuine paint result, along with the well-known Wister color. For the purple color, it's a mix between red, blue, and black color that unfortunately I don't remember the ratio. Before we jump into weathering, detailing, and panel lining, it's necessary to spray all the kit with gloss clear top coat. We don't need to spray it thick, but just make sure all surfaces are being covered. This is the result of Mr. Color gloss top coat. I think it's okay quality for a glossy finish, even though it can reach a mirror-like finish. I choose Tamiya panel accent color for panel lining, Zippo liquid for the cleaner, and cotton bud to help get rid of any excess ink. As you can see, the gloss top coat helps the ink go through all the lines. And a tips, if you think you put too much ink at some spots, get a tissue and press it gently and let it absorb the liquid. Never rub the puddles of ink immediately with a cotton bud or you will get a black smudges all over the surfaces. This is the result of my panel lining work. I'm pretty satisfied with the end work, and now we can continue to add more detail and weathering. These are just generic acrylic colors that I have on my paint shelf. I think you can almost use any acrylic brands or water-based paint to do detailing work. If you want to invest something in detailing process, you can buy a decent sharp brush with stable brush tip to make your work easier, unless you are getting used to work with bad quality of brush. Now I'm starting to put bit by bit of weathering with black color. You don't need to afraid to make a mistake or put too much weathering because you will easily to erase of your work you don't like. I think the work is done. I have sprayed the matte top coat to vibrant colors and left darker colors with glossy finish. I want two types of finishing looks so it will have more dimension to the kit. My take on this kit is, you probably don't want to miss this if you have a Copy X already on your display game. They are both gonna give a really good visual next to each other. But I think the fun factor to build this kit is kinda okay. I really don't like some parts are very easily to fall down, and Eastern model really need to step up their technique to deliver better snap kit mechanism. But if you plan to just put this model on yourself without often playing with him, this is worth to consider buying. If you entertained by this video, please consider to subscribe to my channel and help me grow so I can deliver a better content and make more videos. Thank you and please enjoy the showcase.